The objective of this lesson is to understand the ISERROR formula in Excel. So what does ISERROR do? Basically, it will check the content of a cell and tell me whether I have an error or not. And this is useful when you're doing complicated formulas, so you can embed it in a formula like an if statement, or if you are depending on some calculation and based on this, you would like to do something in a cell. So let's try it out. So the first case I have is 9 divided by 0, which is division by 0, which is an error. So if I write equal ISERROR, I select my cell, then I close the brackets, I'll get true because this is an error. Then I have a text, a number, and a formula which is 100 times 2. So if I drag this, which is just doing ISERROR and selecting the cell, you will see that those are not errors, so it will return false. The last case I have is a VLOOKUP. So here I wrote a random VLOOKUP where obviously there is no answer, so it's NA, and it's an error. So again, if I do equal ISERROR, and I select my cell, close the parentheses, enter, I'll get a true